Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about fast, secure and anonymous key agreement against bad randomness for cloud computing. Abstract. In cloud computing, resources are usually in cloud service provider's network and typically accessed by the user. Key agreement enables secure key for the secure communications between users. Existing key agreement for cloud computing suffer from some challenges. For example, realizing low connection delay, enhancing user privacy, and avoiding bad randomness. The proposed crypto system is fast, have high efficiency, so high robustness and production of any files, and documented the good quality to withstand a variety of cyber attacks. The given files are encrypted and decrypted using secret key for more secure and stored in cloud servers. The user encrypt the files and stored in cloud increasing exponentially day by day. The key generator generate a private key for each and every file for encryption and decryption, and end user will decrypt the encrypted file from cloud. The only way to enhance the user privacy and avoid bad randomness resistance. Now we are going to see about flow diagram. First of all, user have to log in. After user logged in, OTP will generate for verifications. If user didn't go to the next page, OTP will expire within 30 seconds. Then user have choose the file and he can view that selected file. User have to request a key to key generator for this selected file. Key generator have to log in. After logged in, key generator should view the requested list and generate the key for each requested file. Then send the key to user. After sending that key, user have to get the key and encrypt the file. Before encryption, user should choose the receiver name for whom will decrypt that file for more secure purpose. Then end user have to log in. After logged in, OTP will generate and end user choose the file for which file will go to the decrypt. After choosing encrypted file, requested key to key generator. After getting the key from KGC, user will go to the decrypt that file and download it. The encryption and decryption files are stored in cloud and the downloaded files are stored in end user's download folder in local disk. And now we are going to see about project output. This is our home page. Now click the go to button for main page. In our project, it have three modules. These are users module, key generation and cloud server provider. Click the user button for going to encryption files. The user login page is open. If the user was registered already, give the username and password of the user. If the user is new user, click the new user, click here link. The register form was open and registered here. Then we are not a new user, so we are going to login page and submit here. We are logged in successfully. After logged in, OTP verification page is open. OTP was generated. If the user didn't go to the next page, OTP will expire within 30 seconds. After this process, encryption page is open. The user can choose the file. The user can view the file we want. Now we are request the key to key generator. Request send to key generator. Now click the KGC button for key generator page. Now KGC login page is open. Here give the details of KGC. After logged in, view the requested list. Now generate a key for this file. Secret key was generated and send the key to user. Now user was get a key. Now encrypt the file. Before encryption, choose a receiver name for whom will going to decrypt the particular file. Now I choose the receiver name, encrypt the file. The file is encrypted successfully. The encryption process is over. Now decryption process. The end user of receiver now going to login. The process is for decryption. Submit here. After login, OTP will generate. Now decryption page is open. Now Choose a file and send request key to key generator. Request send to key generator. Key generator generate a key for this file. Secret key was generated and send a key to end user. Now click get key from key generator. After getting the key from KGC, decrypt the particular file and download the file. The file is downloaded successfully. Encrypted file is stored in cloud and decrypted file is stored in cloud. Download files are stored in your local disk download folder.